We have another Nissan Rogue here. Sunburnt tops. Forward face is horrible. Typical Nissan Rogue. This is how they all look. But don't worry, when we're done with it, it'll look like brand new. Get ready for this. Bingo. Beautiful. Broward Headlight Restoration. We service South Florida. We are mobile. We travel to your home, work, or office. We service Broward County, Palm Beach County, and Miami-Dade County. Just give us a call. 754-302-0769. Text us your pictures if you like for an estimate. Remember, we come to you, Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. 754-302-0769. Thank you.